The Constructivism is an artistic movement that emerged in Russia in the early 20th century, and its influence continues to resonate even today. Constructivism was deeply rooted in Marxism. The movement saw art as a tool for promoting social equality and the ideals of the communist evolution. Vladimir Tatlin, the movement founder, believed art should serve a social purpose. He wanted to construct art that reflected the ideals of the new Soviet Union, a society striving for equality and progress. Constructivism's impact extended far beyond painting and sculpture. It influenced architecture, graphic design, industrial design, theater, film, and even fashion. The movement principles of functionality, clarity, and social purpose resonated across many creative fields. Constructivists rejected the idea of art for art's sake. They emphasized functionality, simplicity, and the use of everyday materials. Art was meant to be practical, accessible, and relevant to the lives of ordinary people. While the Soviet Union ultimately fell, the ideas of constructivism continue to inspire artists and designers. It emphasizes on functionality, simplicity, and the power of design to shape society, remains a relevant and influential force in the contemporary world.